So we're going to disassemble this Microtech knife, check out the inside, and clean it out a little bit. Careful with this. Hold it down. Pop that spring off. So this right here, this is your lock whenever it shoots up. That engages right here to keep the knife from going back down. Push that back up. The knife can slide back into there. And then it re-engages down here, keeping it from coming out. But this is as far as we need to get. Got some of our KPL cleaner kits. We're just gonna take this. A lot of times, junk, dirt, all kinds of stuff likes to build up underneath these. So we're just gonna clean that out. We're gonna use the lightweight OTF automatic knives. And there is little springs inside of here, so I added a little bit inside there. And if you wanted to actually take the knife out, it locks right there. This little cylinder, just lift up on it a tad, it'll slide right out. Take this, just wipe down real fast, just get any extra that might have built up. Once your knife is all cleaned out, lubed up, everything that you want to do, you're going to start with this piece. Make sure this is at the front. You're going to place this bottom side in and push down. It'll lock into place. Next, we're going to use the spring. Got the spring in. Okay, next we're going to place this one on. Put our spring back in because it will just fall out. I was trying to straighten it. So we'll just tighten 3 screws down and we'll test it out. Nicely done. There we go. We just, teamwork, took this apart and put it back together. The hardest part is just putting it back together, holding it all in place. As you saw, this thing gives you a big pain. Because the slightest little touch, big fat fingers, and you'll accidentally have to reset it. It'll be working pretty good. All cleaned out, has nice sliding action. Put this back in my KPL kit. There we go. That's how we disassemble a Microtech to clean it out. Thanks for watching.